patriotic today. I mean, like, technically your flag should be the Puerto Rican and the Cuban and American, but I only have... Well, you do have some Cuban in you, Gio, so...
That's without a doubt.
The good part of Cuba. So we're here, we're gonna go off-road a little bit, and 3-inch lift kit on this one. And does this have the full Paco? What does this? Lift kit with coils. That's it, folks. That's all you really need to have fun. So Gio, technically we can raise this as high as this one.
Yeah, close enough. Well, he's got some. He's gonna have some extra from the tires.
Yeah.
I mean, you got like at least.
So that's still a 3-inch Paco lift kit. Yeah. So we're running pretty much the same thing. It's just Gio didn't adjust the height on the coils.
I called it for it.
So we just finished testing the 3-inch lift from Paco Motorsports, and let me tell you, that is one of the funnest things I've ever done in a Miata. What do you think, Gio? How the Paco Motorsports 3-inch lifts?
I think it holds up better than the shocks, I'll tell you that.
Yep, and I think we had a little bit of an angle on the knuckles, so I think we got pretty good drifts.
That was a blast, man.
Yeah.
Shout out to Nestor for welding that thing together, and it's holding up all the abuse. That was the one thing I was worried about breaking out of this thing. Yeah.
Held up pretty well, right?
Honestly, it's a beautiful welding.
Ooh, I like the paint job on the inside of the doors. It looks like real mud.
It's custom.
Custom, huh?
I should have waited to take off the covers. I was still gonna shoot a second.
Yeah,
It's alright.
dude.
It's alright.
So now let's get some tacos and call it a day, maybe? And I say maybe.
I wonder why.
Right.
Well guys, it was pretty fun having some tacos after off-roading and stuff, and got the car pretty dirty. Now it's time to probably go home, throw some water on it, and call it a day.
Oh yeah, it is.
Well, we found another spot. It's a little sketchy getting to it, but it's a lot, the mud here is a lot more different than over there. It's like basically rock. Bro, I ate it.
Nah, this spot's like too sketchy.
Hold on, hold on. Woo!
That was a blast. Really thick
I
there.
mean, like the second mud place we went has a lot thicker mud, you know?
Oh yeah. Yeah, it's,
rock mud.
it's that gunkier stuff.
Well, I can say all that Paco Motorsports 3-inch lift kit
She did the works, man.
did the job.
You gotta wash the ditches, though.
They cleaned up real good.
Super.
Gotta get all the sponsors cleaned up, you know what I
Right.
mean?